هذا طفل صغير ما بيعرف من البرد، هذا بيعرف يتدفى، بيعرف بده تدفئة، بيعرف بده أكل بده شرب، ما بيعرف إنه برد مو برد.
Assalamu alaikum. We are here in Bekaa in the middle of the storm. As you can see, it's freezing in here. Temperatures are at -5 degrees. Families in here are in dire need of your help.
They are being isolated after the storm that hit in the camps. As we can see, your donation reached the camps, blankets, food parcels, fuel for the people who they are in need. JAZKUM Allah kul khair, especially for the people who donated through Sheikh Yasir, Qadhi. Thank you for Reed, for all this support, that you give it for those needy people that they were been waiting for your help. JAZKUM Allah kul khair, and thank you so much for all your support.
نشكر جمعية ريف والشيخ ياسر، جزاكم الله كل خير.